Hey guys, so today I got these mechanical pencils, and usually I don't really do these unboxing videos, so I thought I would do an unboxing for first time of mechanical pencils, and it's then the end of summer, and I'm gonna use these, one for like school and one for drawing. So yeah, let's get right into this. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just like open it. I'll see you guys when this is opened. Okay, it's opening. I have to tear it open. Oh, so first we have a lead. I don't know if you guys can see that. Lead for these pencils. I love that type of lead, that brand. Okay. So, this is cool. I like this. So, apparently there was already lead in here. So, there's lead in here. There's an eraser. Then we have this one. Also has an eraser. I think I'm going to use... Ooh. 2 little erasers made for these. So let's move my trash aside. Okay. So what it first came with was lead. Then this green, kind of like neon green. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that lead coming out. And there's lots of leads in store for this, but I don't know how to bring up the eraser. I guess you just don't. I'll eventually figure it out. So I got this green kind of one. This kind of teal, neon teal. Same thing with this one. Brings lead out. 2 more erasers for both of these. And then, yeah, that's what all it came with. So let me show you what, like, it came with and stuff. Okay. And all of these things came with it. So, see you guys later. And, I don't know. Make sure to go subscribe and click that like button. Sorry. And make sure to turn on this bell notification. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.